Hey everybody, this is Evan again, and welcome to our review solution. Let me show you how to get some great revision results for any type of writing using Published. First, we have three modes: grammar and typo, paraphrase, and creativity mode. The grammar typo mode helps polish your writing, the paraphrase mode helps reword your writing, and finally, the creativity mode enhances your text with added imagination and color, making your writing more vivid, engaging, and impactful. Today, I'll show you how Published is the perfect tool for catching all of your typos and grammatical errors. It helps you ensure that your writing content is polished, professional, and error-free. First, click on the typos and grammar mode and simply copy and paste the text that you would like to revise in the text box on the left. I'm going to enter some text that discusses the benefits and costs of remote work policies. So let's say that my employer made an urgent request for me to write up this paragraph and I don't have the time to make revisions. Well, don't worry, Published is here to help. After you enter your text, the only step left is to click the Generate button. And now, in seconds, you have polished text ready to use. Once your revised text is generated, you can export your revised draft by directly copying and pasting the text into another document. All right, thank you so much for taking the time to watch our tutorial. We hope that with Published support, you feel better equipped and more confident in your writing skills.